Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So in today's video, I'll be featuring once again unexpected gift from Estee Lauder, of course. Today I'll be featuring their Let the Sun Worship You Bronze Goddess. Every summer Estee Lauder comes out with their Bronze Goddess collection. Okay, every summer they never failed and they never disappoint me with the design and the products. They're always uniquely made for each different summer. Much of your time, guys. Let's jump right into this video. So this is what I'm talking about, the Estee Lauder Let the Sun Worship You Bronze Goddess. So in this box I have two items inside of it. I'll have the Bronze Goddess illuminating powder and I have the Bronze Goddess perfume. They call it skin scent. That's what is written on it, aside from the French that I can't pronounce. Okay, so it's a perfume and also an illuminating powder. And the most amazing thing about this Bronze Goddess collection is that they have different shades of this powder illuminating. I'll put the rest of the shade that they have, I'll put them on the screen for you guys in case you're interested in purchasing this item. The one that they sent to me is 01. Okay, it's BG powder 01. That's the shade they sent to me, and this is the swatch for you to see how it looks. And also the most amazing thing about this package again that I like is that you could actually use the box that it came in. You could use it to store it. Like the moment you finish using it, if you are my kind of person, I'm like obsessed with packaging. I always like to put things back whenever I finish using them until I get tired, then I will throw the box away. But initial gra, you know how they call it in Nigeria, right? We do initial gra. That's me for you. I will do my initial gra by keeping my stuff like right from the way I get it from the store or whatever way it came into the mailbox. I will use it and package it back and put it. Then when I keep using it repeatedly, I'll get tired, then I'm kind of toss it away. Aside from my shoes though, I keep the boxes to my shoes. I don't throw them away because we tend to move around a lot due to the nature of my office job. Anyway, that's aside. At the back of my hand for you guys to see that as well. See? Design on top of it, and that's why it is called, it's part of the reason why it's Brown Goddess. It's brownish, it's like a leopard brown, like a tiger kind of skin, but I love the design. And the next one, this is not practical. I don't know how you guys are gonna be able to know the scent of this perfume, but I just want to try it and see how I feel about it, how I like it. I don't have any information here to actually tell you what kind of scent it has, if it's floral, if it's fruity, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen after now. I'll go read about it online. I'm not gonna come to you and tell you what I'm not sure or give you information of what I don't know, but I can go research and put it on the screen for you guys to know if it's floral scents or fruity, but let me just go ahead and see and smell. It has the combination of both fruity and floral scent, but I'll go ahead and check. Okay, and without wasting much of your time, I like my video to be short and at the same time informative. Okay, this is the end of this video. Let me know what you think down below. Please leave me a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Guess what? Subscription is free. You don't have to pay. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so as for you to get noticed whenever I upload. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.